Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable base templates for projects step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Airtable workspace. Look for the templates option in the top navigation bar and click on it. You will see a variety of template categories displayed on the screen. Browse through the categories to find the type of template you need for your project. Once you find an interesting template, click on it to view more details. Review the description and see if it fits your project requirements. If you decide to use the template, look for the Use Template button and click it. A new window will pop up asking you to select your workspace. Choose the appropriate workspace where you want to create the new base from the template. Next, give your new base a name in the provided text field. After naming your base, click on the Create Base button. Your new base will now be created using the selected template. You will be redirected to your new base, where you can start customizing it. Take time to explore the features and elements within the base. Remember to save any changes you make as you personalize the template to suit your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.